Елбасы кітапханасында осы күндері мемлекет басшысының кітап жинақтарынан құрастырылған «Руханият тіректері» атты кітап көрмесі өтіп жатыр. Осы кітап көрмесінің мәртебелі меймандарының қатарында алғашқылардың бірі болып, Корея Республикасының Қазақстандағы Төтенше және Өкілетті Елшісі Дэсик мырза келіп отыр. Your Excellency, could you share your impressions about this exhibition?
Actually, I've been here several times because this library has many records about recent Kazakhstan history, what they achieved after independence, and then really is for foreigners. It's worth to visiting this place to see how the Kazakhstan people achieve their modern success. And today, especially, I'm very pleased to be here to see how the Kazakh society is accommodating for different sorts or religions. This kind of accommodating, encompassing all the people is a basis for the Kazakh society to flourish as it is. As a Korean ambassador, I would like to point out that such attitude is really I must appreciate such Kazakh people's kindness and accommodating attitude towards Korean diaspora who were deported in 1937, and then anyway. All the Korean diaspora always expressed their gratitude toward the Kazakh people and Kazakh government.
Did you see some things concerning Korean and Kazakh relations in this library?
Yes, of course, and even this section. There is all the record about foreign leaders of countries to visit here, and then here we can see the Ban Ki-moon, UN Secretary General's Ban Ki-moon's photo, and our President Lee Myung-bak's photo there.
Are you surprised?
I'm not surprised. As I mentioned, this library have the good variety of the records about how they treat the peoples, and also the other part there is about your Kazakh's voluntary dismantlement of the nuclear weapon. This has a very huge implication for the Korean situation. As you know, the North Korean they have the nuclear ambition, but the Kazakh President Nazarbayev and Kazakh government all the time sending same message, very clear message to North Korea. Look at the Kazakhstan. We gave up the nuclear weapon, and then FDA came in, and then we achieved the level, this level of the national development after giving up this nuclear weapon. Well, please follow our step. This is a clear message to North Korea. I really appreciate Kazakh government this message to North Korea.
Your Excellency, I'd like to hear your wishes to our library.
The record and then reflection about the past is really very important, for our future. This library has provided such a basis for our reflection for the future. I really appreciate this library effort to preserve their record, and then I wish all the success to your library prosperity.
Thank you very much for your interview.